Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install jQuery with WordPress.org. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install jQuery with WordPress.org, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on the Theme Editor option under Appearance. Locate the functions.php file in the list of theme files on the right. Click on the functions.php file to open it for editing. Scroll to the bottom of the functions.php file. Add the following code to include jQuery, PHP function include _jQuery, if, is_admin, wp_enq_. Once you've added the code, click on the Update File button to save your changes. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to your WordPress site. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. Navigate to the Console tab in the Developer Tools that opens. Type jQuery and press Enter. If jQuery is installed correctly, you should see the jQuery function listed. Now, if you want to implement jQuery scripts on your site, return to the theme editor. Select the appropriate JavaScript file or create a new one to include your custom jQuery code. Add your desired jQuery functions in that file. Save your changes once you've added your custom code. Now, your WordPress site is ready to utilize jQuery for enhanced functionality. Test it thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.